Ultra Mobile is a mobile virtual network operator that operates on Verizon's network, providing cellular services through Verizon's infrastructure. To connect to the cellular network for Internet and MMS services, Ultra Mobile requires specific access point name or APN settings. An APN acts as a gateway that allows your device to communicate with the network. Correct APN settings are crucial because without them, your phone cannot access data services. Think of the APN as specific instructions your phone needs to properly communicate with Ultra Mobile's network. Without these instructions, you may have no internet access or be unable to send picture messages. Here's an example of APN settings for a similar service. Notice the key parameters like APN name and network codes. The standard APN settings for Ultra Mobile as of September 2025 are: APN is Ultra, authentication type is none, MCC is 310, and MNC is 410. Set the APN type to default or Internet plus MMS combined. Leave username, password, proxy, and port settings blank. The process differs between iPhones and Android devices. On Android, go to Settings. Tap the Settings app. Select Network and Internet. Choose Mobile Network. Tap Access Point Names. Here you can add or edit the Ultra Mobile APN directly. For MMS, set the MMSC to /ultramobile.com MMS proxy 10.177.0.21, port to 88U. On iPhone, APNs are often auto-configured, but manual setup requires installing a carrier profile. You can usually find this profile on Ultra Mobile's website or by contacting their customer support. After installing the profile via Settings, General Profile, reboot your device. Make sure to restart your device after setting up the APN, whether on Android or iPhone.